Hey students, get ready to unlock the secrets of differential equations. This chapter is super important, and we're going to make it easy to understand. Let's get started. So, what exactly are differential equations? Well, they're basically equations that show how things change. Think of it like this: they relate a function to its derivatives. And guess what? They're really important for your CBSE exams, so pay close attention. Alright, let's talk about the order and degree of a differential equation. The order is simply the highest derivative you see in the equation. And the degree? That's the power of that highest derivative, but only after you've cleared any messy stuff like square roots or fractions. Okay, let's define this formally. The order of a differential equation is the order of the highest derivative present. Simple as that. If you see d squared y dx squared, that's a second order differential equation. Now, let's learn how to form a differential equation. Usually, this means getting rid of arbitrary constants. Just differentiate the given equation as many times as there are constants, and then use those equations to eliminate them. It's like a mathematical puzzle. Here's a formula you need to remember. General solution equals particular solution plus an arbitrary constant. The general solution is the complete solution, and the particular solution is what you get when you know the values of the constants. Remember this. Let's talk about solving differential equations. One of the most common methods is the variable separable method. The main idea here is to get all the y stuff on one side and all the x stuff on the other side. Make sure each part has its differential. Here's the key formula for the variable separable method. The integral of f y dy equals the integral of g x dx. F y is a function of y, and g x is a function of x. After you separate the variables, integrate both sides to find the solution. Here's a key point that many students forget. Always include the constant of integration plus c. Examiners love to see this, and you'll lose marks if you forget it. Don't let that happen to you. Let's work through an example. Q. Solve the differential equation dy dx equals x 2y. Okay, first separate the variables. 2y dy equals x dx. Then, integrate both sides. The integral of 2y dy equals the integral of x dx. The answer is y squared equals x squared 2 plus c. See how easy that was? Here's a real-world application. Newton's law of cooling. It says that the rate at which something cools down is related to the difference between its temperature and the temperature around it. This is a classic example of a differential equation in action. Here are some exam tips to help you ace this chapter. First, don't forget the constant of integration. Second, make sure you understand how to identify the order and degree of a differential equation. And third, practice lots of variable separable problems. So, to summarize, we covered order and degree, forming differential equations, and the variable separable method. Remember these key concepts, and you'll be well on your way to mastering differential equations. And remember, all of this, AI notes, doubt solving, and practice tests for differential equations, is free on Synapse. Study smarter, not harder. Start free today at synapse.omups.in. Master differential equations for CBSE. And please subscribe to our channel for more free lessons. Visit synapse.omups.in and start learning today.